Here we have a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. I'm going to show you how to remove the rear view mirror off the windshield. If you're watching this video, you're probably sitting in the car right now working on it. So let's just quickly get to the point. You see this round windshield bracket? What you got to do is firmly hold on to that and twist counterclockwise, and it'll just come right off. So there's like this rectangular slot. You see those two brackets there on the mirror bracket, and it fits the rectangular mirror bracket on the windshield. As you can see, the shape fits into each other just like a puzzle. So when you're going to put the mirror back, you got to fit that shape into the mirror pocket. So if you look carefully, you'll see it's like a rectangle with a slight round shape around it. And then if you look at the mirror, you have the same position for that. So gently place the mirror back into position, and you'll see it's only gonna get snug in there in one spot. So hold the mirror kind of facing towards the left side of the vehicle, and then gently just twist it until you see it firm up, and then hold and do the second twist over. Now, the windshield is really fragile, especially from the inside. So when you're doing this, do not put a lot of pressure up onto the glass at all. Be very gentle, or you will crack the windshield. So gently place the mirror back on, wiggle it till it kind of finds its snug position. See how it's being held there? I wiggled it gently into that position. Then I grab it firm, and without pushing upwards on the windshield, I just turn it back clockwise.